Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Today I'm participating in a collaboration which is being hosted by Sule at mystylemycoulour. I just love her. She's such a sweet lady, and she has asked us to show two different coffee table styles for Christmas. So all we had to do was show two different, tablescapes for a coffee table and some sort of light source. Now, Sule has asked us to use some lights, so I decided that I was going to go ahead and use these lights I got these from Govee, and they are actually on Facebook. If you are interested, they're on Amazon too. If you're interested in these lights, it comes I think there's 12 to a package, and all you have to do is like their page and then come over and leave me a comment letting me know that you're interested in these lights, because I have to tell you, look at those, aren't they pretty? So just let me know that you're interested in lights, and I'll put you in a giveaway, which I'll be announcing next Friday on the 21st. For my light source in this one, I'm just going to go ahead and use those same fairy lights. Gosh, they are so handy and so pretty. I just absolutely love them. And I hope that you guys go over to their Facebook channel and go, it's Govee. I'll have all the information in my description box. And like I said, again, leave me a comment in the comments below to let me know that you're interested in winning a set of these, because I think you're going to be very impressed. They are so pretty and they're so easy to use. Thank you so much, my friend at mystylemycoulour, for hosting this collaboration. Really enjoyed doing this one. This was fun, and I hope you guys got some great ideas, and I hope you guys like my decor. Anyway, thank you so much, and don't forget to go enter into the giveaway, because I think you guys are going to really like these lights. They're so easy, and they're so pretty. So anyway, I can't wait to watch everybody's videos in the playlist, and I will have that, of course, as soon as it's available in my description box as well. So thank you so much for watching. Now you guys have a great day. Bye bye now.